We are in the High Court. No, don't.
Continue, sir.
Please, no. Don't pass any comments. Go stand there in that side. I'm
I
arguing.
am not passing any
What
comment,
side?
with due respect,
No.
sir.
Don't do it.
I'm just
Don't-
assisting.
You assist there. Don't not within my ears.
No one have heard that I have.
Sure.
Don't show your arrogancy here.
Nothing.
CBI is arrogant. We know about that. Don't do it here.
All right, Mr.
No, I'm arguing. This is a constant.
The status report, my lord, your lordship knows the further investigation is going on. So, my lord, in a sealed envelope, we are giving it to your lordship. And few paras I shall mention. My lord, your lordship has put 3 queries. On the last date, your lordship has put 3 queries on me. My lord, I shall deal one by one. My lord, all these queries has been covered by in the status report.
Do you have a copy of?
No, my lord.
How at this stage?
No. We have some objection. No, my lord. No.
I am not asking my lord to progress of the.
No, my lord, it is not permissible. It is not permissible under the law.
Synopsis of the my lord the report.
This one. No? My lord, first answer to your lordship's query, my lord, the first point which your lordship's raised is the answer in my lord para 10
Of the report or
of the report. My lord, kindly read the whole report. Your lordship will understand.
So that will take time. I'll read it subsequently. But
Yes. 10. मुझे कहते बोलते हैं Then, my lord, kindly turn to, my lord, all this part is already, my lord, we have filed separate report before the Honorable Supreme Court. And Honorable Supreme Court is session of the matter, the same issue. Now, my lord, kindly turn to para 13, 1, Roman 1, the second queries. Roman 1 and 13.2.
that's a page.
But this is page 10 and 11.
I'll go to this letter 13. You answer my earlier question. Come to 10.
Yes, my lord.
1. Now, you said both the aspects you were in one. Yes, sir. What are the, did you have, my second question, if you follow on the last occasion, that if it was an issue relating to gang rape, how did you work on the same? What were the list of, did you list out any suspects in course of the investigation?
No, my lord, these are all forensic opinion has been taken. The scene of crime, my lord, we have all available DNA was examined. That was sent to the forensic expert. And ultimately, your lordship will find, my lord, para 13.1 and para 13.2 a medical board of 14 doctors we have constituted. from different part of the, my lord, the country, AIMS and other, my lord, the institution, my lord, different part, my lord, there, all these doctors, gyno, orthopedics, my lord, general surgery, DNA expert, audiologist, and my lord, other experts were there in the board of the team. And ultimately, they have opined, my lord, this is not 70.
No, that is they have opined.
Yes. And we have also investigated to the angle.
That angle, what
Yes.
you have investigated.
Yes.
Apart from the medical, what you have investigated.
We have investigated everything, my lord. All nurses, all doctors, my lord, all persons who are associated with the hospital, all of them has been examined. My lord, although, my lord, for your lordship knows better than me, at the time of investigation, the accused is also plays a vital role so far as the investigation is concerned. Confession and everything has been taken, and all aspect has been covered by the investigating
Very good.
agency.
Now, if that is so, I'll test that subsequently.
Yes.
Just tell me one thing then. What are you doing now? Exactly.
We are going
So
now.
therefore, you
My lord, yes, I understand your lordship's query. My lord, now what we are looking after, my lord, is this: whether there is any greater conspiracy to commit this crime there or not. This is number one. And, my lord, regarding the destruction of evidence, these are the two parts, my lord, we are looking for. And, my lord, the investigation is on day-to-day basis. It is going on. Voluminous document has been collected. Phone, my lord, the numbers, all call data details, my lord, whoever was present there, everything is scrutinizing by the agency.
just tell me one thing then.
Yes.
That means you are now investigating on destruction of evidence.
Yes. And also the conspiracy part.
Conspiracy, the part whichever you are investigating, is it the conspiracy relating to commission of the offense?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Then you have left out 70. How?
What? 70?
Then how did you leave out 70?
No, just conspiracy, whether they have hushed up the matter or suppressed the matter or not.
Post offense conduct.
Yes.
Or
Post offense conduct. Post offense conduct.
this,
Yes.
I intended to know the same,
Yes.
because therefore you say that all these incident was by a single person committed according to
As of now, my lord, whatever the
yes,
investigation is
have
coming out,
collected.
my lord, yes.
Number one. Number two, at least even if there was no second offender at the place of occurrence, there was no person in conspiracy in respect of the substantive offense concerned. Therefore, there was no further common intention to commit the offense of rape, as
That we are in our report, my lord, we have dealt with this part also. My lord, kindly consider that also, my lord, and go through it, my lord, once.
So now what you are investigation is that once the offense was committed, the news came up. The role of the
Various officials and staff of the hospital.
This
Yes.
is what you are investigating.
Yes.
Now. So substantive offense, no
Yes.
investigation is
Yes.
going on.
Yes.
The investigation is going on regarding the act and actions relating to destruction of the evidence pursuant to the substantive offense being.
Yes.
This is what you are doing. How much time you require, Father?
My lord, at present, we cannot, my lord, say anything before.
Where are you stuck?
My lord, it is a voluminous document. Everybody is being interrogated. My lord, it will take
no.
some time. Right now, we cannot, my lord, commit your lordship's court. This time, we will complete the investigation. And my lord, kindly consider this aspect also, my lord. My lord, it is your lordship's call whether your lordship, my lord, monitor this or not, my lord. It is my duty as an officer of the court, and also, my lord, being an officer of the central government, to point out to your lordship the present position where the matter is, my lord, stuck before the Honorable Supreme Court. Supreme Court, so far as prayer 1 is concerned, they wanted that, my lord, entire part should be shifted from Supreme Court and given it to before this court. But, my lord, so far as that part is concerned, court did not utter any word.
I don't want to hear that argument on whether it's whatever clarification.
Yes.
Supreme Court has given an indication the writ petition should be heard. Whether the maintainability of the writ petition that Mr. Bandyopadhyay also intends to argue maintainability, Mr. Moitro, but that has got nothing to do with the main part of the.
No, that is true. That is the reason, my lord, we have submitted the report. If your lordship want to see the case diary, my case diary is also present here. Your lordship can go
The
through it.
summary is this.
Yes.
One thing you do, Mr. You have you give all the, because see, all the one trial is complete.
Which one?
A trial has been completed
Yes.
already.
An appeal is pending. So
An
far as,
appeal
my
is
lord, we preferred an appeal
Huh.
for enhancement of sentence.
So,
My lord, that has been, my lord, my appeal has been admitted, and my lord, it has been kept for hearing.
you have all the materials with you today. The evidences also. देखे ही निकले. You examined this before the trial court, Dr. Apurva Vishwas, Dr. Reena Das, and Dr. Molly Banerjee.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
The evidence is available with you.
Yes, yes. आप यहाँ पे आ जाइए ना थोड़ा पर तो उठा दीजिए ना. No, he is the person who conducted the trial before the trial court, our public prosecutor.
पूर्व के साथ PW 21
21. हाँ, कॉपी कहाँ है? हाँ, दे दीजिए. पूरा कंपाइलेशन एक एक करके हम लोग पढ़ के दे देंगे ना. ठीक है, इसको दे दीजिए जरा सबको अभी.
ठीक है पूरा देखना पेज निकाल के दे
वो तो फिर आपको रिटर्न बैक कर देंगे.
मुझे रिटर्न नहीं
दे दीजिए.
इंडेक्स है ना
अच्छा,
लक्ष्य निकाल
और दोनों क्या है? रीना दास का दीजिए. रीना दास.
पेज इधर रुके
Madam, 5 or 7 minutes submission.
All right. You can start on the next date.
I am going.
Let me see the documents. I will not be.
But can just once. Hearing. What my learned friend has submitted, there's a complete destruction of evidence. I have no object. But what lordship is there? Kindly come to the prayer of the consider this.
और एक है
The read of the nature of magnanimous commanding the respondent authority for initiate further investigation of instances being important number so and so date 13th August to under the supervision. This investigation concluded charge sheet file criminal
ये फॉर्मर होएगा ये पता लगा
delivered.
But
Therefore, there cannot be any further investigation in connection with this. The destruction of the evidence and anything is there post what your lordship was suggesting, post crime after the offense. Not in connection with this. This is trial has been concluded. And where is the power? We are very much concerned about that is the law. I have also fought it and going up to Supreme Court constitutionally decided. If there is a defect of the investigation is there,
Yes, sir.
it can
By
be
the
handed over to
chairman,
the CBI or
Homa
investigation.
CFSL expert है.
That is at the stage of investigation or at the stage of the trial. Not after the conclusion of the trial, any judgment is there. That your lordships can direct the CBI to make an investigation. If the investigation is faulty, of course, this court has power during the pendency. And if your lordships consider the two provisions, that's also clear. I have also
PM का main
fortified
doctor
my
बताओ.
judgment. Consider this, right?
हमारे पास तो
Kindly come to section 193.9. First, 193.9. Come to provision. Provided that further investigation during the trial may be conducted with the permission of the court trying the case, and same shall be completed within a period of 90 days, which may be extended with the permission of the court. Therefore, the permission which was granted to the CBI by the trial court was supposed to be completed within a period of 6 months from the date of passing of the order.
Magistrate to order.
Because this power of the magistrate to direct further investigation only remains during trials. Next, my lord, kindly see section 358.
तो 4 का है इसके बाद.
Section 358. Power to proceed against other persons appearing to be guilty of offence. Where in the course of any inquiry into or trial of an offence, it appears from the evidence that any person not being the accused has committed any offence for which such person could be tried. Excuse me. Please. Now, for which such person could be tried together with the accused, the court may proceed against such person for the offence which he appears to have committed. Second, where such person is not admitted, second and third is not required. Therefore, in courts of trial, and here is a clear finding of the trial court, there may be laxity on the part of the others, but that will not can be said to be a faulty investigation, and therefore conviction order has been passed. I don't know whether the trial court judgment has been shown to your lordship.
No, that is not what.
They should have filed this subsequent event.
But one thing, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, you have also fought many cases. Do the statutory powers limit the constitutional courts?
Court cannot pass an order contrary to the statute.
No, this is not contrary.
Yes.
Whenever, suppose these in the BNSS or in the CRPC earlier, there was no provision for giving investigation to the central agency. Otherwise, magistrates could have easily granted aid to
CBI.
Now, however, sanction provision was there, and under the DSP Act, and therefore, under Article 226, when orders were passed, the permission of the state were also not required in those circumstances. Now, when the High Court takes into account all these materials, either under 482 or 226, whichever the powers are, is it that because proviso clause is because of Rita Nag's judgment, which I believe, to cover up the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment in Rita Nag's
This
case?
proviso was also earlier.
No, it was not there earlier. No, it was not there. Not there.
It was not there earlier.
Not there.
This was because of covering up Rita Nag's
Yes, yes.
judgment. Now, we'll hear you. You will take a long time.
No.
You're not nice one to argue.
Point
Concluded
is,
the 20th
my lord, it is-
January. Order was
excuse me,
passed.
sir. Kindly allow me to argue, please.
ठीक है आप इधर आइए
See, point is, look, this is I argued that went up to Supreme Court that the constitutional bench has let down the law, and it was my research for 17 years.
I don't dispute that, sir.
Just point is, when an investigation is defective and when an investigation is conducted in a biased manner, whether the High Court is having the power to direct, to transfer the investigation. Ultimately, Supreme Court has said yes. Article 226 and Article 32 of the High Court, power of the High Court and Supreme Court is there to direct the transfer of an investigation, right? Now, that is a pending trial. Even a trial is going on, even in that case also directed to make an investigation. Is there any case where the Supreme Court has said, yes, we have transferred it, trial has been concluded, even then we can direct to transfer. I mean, make an investigation. The constitutional power, what your lordship is saying, that is up to the conclusion of the trial. Let me plot one judgment of, I will show to, I have a number of judgments. Just one paragraph will make it clear. Matters now. You see, this is a Madras High Court judgment, 2013 1 MWN CR 267 DB. Kindly come to paragraph just 2013 1 MWN, আমি দিয়ে দেবো হ্যান্ডওভার করে দেবো একদিন সুপ্রিমকে দিয়ে দিবি MWN CR 267 division with kindly. The lordship will come and see the paragraph. Come to paragraph. এটা তো yes, come to paragraph 28 first. In Hansbai, Bhalibhai and Qureshi and State of Gujarat 2004-5 SCC, in paragraph number 12 and 13 has been held as follows. Subsection 8 of section 83 permits further investigation. I was telling you 173.8 earlier, which was there. Further investigation.
No, further investigation was there.
I am saying
That proviso
Proviso is
clause
not
was not there. The proviso part which
actually same further investigation when further investigation provision was there. Proviso has made it very clear.
proviso is-
Further investigation where? Magistrate how long? Or investigating agency can keep it for how long? Till doomsday. Is it the law? No, I could not finish it. We have a voluminous document. We have to look into that. If an investigating agency cannot finish it, they are liable for everything. Interest is must to take over the investigation. But you can't conclude the investigation. Did subsection 1 of the court permits further. I am very little knowledge in criminal law.
No.
I am arguing before legal luminaries and others are also legal luminaries in the criminal branch. I don't know. Therefore, no, I have become nervous. Power is not there. I was arguing.
these cases you have done much more than others.
I have spent my 17 years and 1 year I did not earn a single paisa. I did not do any case in Calcutta High Court. Any private matter. I spent from my own pocket. This CBI has powerful because of my exercise.
That trial has been completed.
No, I am telling you, I was 19, no trial. 2001, 24 years, no trial. Rizanur Rahman, 2007, no trial. Then other cases, no trial, nothing. Only I have said in other case, Khichberi photo. That is only, no trial has not been concluded.
Trial is going.
Going on, not concluded.
18 years.
18 years.
18 years.
They are claiming to be the prime agency.
I had a privilege to appear on
But it is better to give a constable to the investigation.
That I will not say. But
Now let's see and come in conduct proper even after the court took cognizance of any offence on the strength of police report earlier submitted, all the more. So it is in this case the head of the police department also was not satisfied of the propriety of the manner and nature of investigation already conducted. Now, so and so it was observed by this court that further investigation is not altogether ruled out merely because cognizance has been taken by the court. When defective investigation comes, like now come, when defective investigation comes to the light during the course of trial, it may be cured by further investigation. If circumstances so permitted, it would ordinarily be desirable that all the more. So in this case, that the police should inform the court and seek formal permission to make further investigation when fresh facts come to light instead of being silent over the matter, keeping in view only the need for an early trial, since an effective trial for real or actual offence found during course of proper investigation is as much as relevant, desirable and necessary as an expeditious disposal of the matter by the court. In view of the aforesaid position of law, if there is a necessity for further investigation, the same can certainly be done as prescribed by law. The mere fact there may be a further delay in concluding the trial, can't read it. Concluding the trial should not stand in the way of further investigation if that would help the court in arriving at the truth and through real and substantial as well as effective justice, we make it clear that we have not expressed any final opinion on the basis. 29. From the above, there can be no difficulty to firmly conclude that any state before the final conclusion of the trial court had got the power to order for further investigation. When the court is satisfied, the investigation is allowed. Therefore, after trial, magistrate is having power. My lord, if the sir, we are in the high court. No, don't
continue. Sir.
please no. Don't pass any comments. Go stand there in that side. I'm
I am
arguing.
not passing any
What
comments,
side?
with due respect.
No.
Sir.
Don't do it.
I'm just assisting.
You assist there. Don't not within my ears.
No one have heard that I have.
Don't show your arrogancy here.
Nothing.
CBI is arrogant. We know about that. Don't do it here.
all right, Mr. Bandhavati.
I'm arguing this is a constant